everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Maree and my channel is Busy Bee Maree. If you've just clicked on my video today, I'm going to be opening up a clothing subscription box. It's my first time ever trying one, and so I'm going to share with you my thoughts and the clothes and whether I liked it or not. Now, I've got to be honest, I've been wanting to try a subscription box for a long time, and I mean a long time, and I just haven't got into gear and committed to doing that. So when this company reached out to me, I said yes immediately, because I had watched, I think it was Mr. Carrington, he had done an unboxing of a subscription box. Gosh, I want to say it was like 2 years ago, and I thought, what a fab idea. I'm not someone that's particularly good at styling. I can go into stores, I can see what I like, and I'll generally look at it and think, I would buy that if I knew how to style it. And 9 times out of 10, I won't buy. Stores will get so much more money out of me if they help me out a bit. So when I saw this, let me show you, Fashom, I thought, I'm going to do this. So they have a website, and what you do is you go on and you fill out their survey. You have a set of questions like multiple choice. They'll ask you set questions like your measurements and that kind of stuff. Then they have pictures. They have clusters of pictures of like lookbooks. So it'd be maybe a dress, shoes, bag, necklace, hat, and then the next picture might be jeans, boots, jumper, bag, and then the next one might be a skirt, t-shirt, jacket, and then you click on there and you say which ones you like, and then the next question might be a set of pictures and which ones you don't like. So they're really getting down to the nitty-gritty of your style, and I just really like the whole process, and I learned some things from my own self just answering those questions. Now, to be totally honest, I was worried about this. I was scared that 5 items were going to arrive and that I was only going to like one of them. I really was. I thought, well, what do I do? What do I tell the company? Because I'm going to be honest, if I don't like something, I'm going to tell you guys I don't like it. It's not for me. But I can tell you, this was an absolute hit for me. And I hope with the clips that I'm about to show you, you'll agree. I know you guys will tell me if you don't like something, and I do appreciate that. I'm not someone that's going to get offended or be like, Now this is $95 and you get 5 pieces. So before I waffle on any longer, let me share with you the items that I received. This is the dress. I absolutely love it, and it fits like a glove. 3/4 length sleeves, and it has puckering going up here as a really sweet little detail. Very feminine. It has a wrap over top and then a belt that you can tie up, use or not use. It is right down to the ground, so it is a maxi on me. Ignore the shoes, these are my shoes. And I'll zoom in on the print. So blacks, brown, taupes, very autumnal. They've nailed this. As you know, I'm not a dress person, but this feels so comfortable, and it feels dressy, but it also feels casual. I really am happy with this. I'm really happy with this, actually. And all you have to do is just fill out that questionnaire. And you actually find stuff out about yourself, because they give you pictures of clusters of different looks, and you can say, I like that one, I like that one, I don't like that one, and you keep going through this questionnaire, and then they curate a box that is specifically for you. So this chain and this dress is absolutely a hit for me. Tell me your thoughts. Do you like this? I love it. Item number 3 is this black sweater. I really like this. This is so soft. It's a thin knit. It has really nice detail, and I love the little V in it too. I think that just finishes it off. Instead of it being a dead end like this, I like that. It's all in the details, isn't it? My arms are always going to be too long on me. I just have short arms. But other than that, this fits like an absolute glove. So this item here is yet again another hit with me. I really like this. And I've just paired it with my own black pants. So let's try the next sweater. This is item number 4. And I've got to be honest, if I saw this on a shelf in a store, I would have looked at it and just probably carried on walking. I wouldn't have picked this up. I certainly wouldn't have put it in my trolley or my cart to buy. But because they sent it to me and I'm trying it on because I've got it in my house already, I found out that this is another hit. This is unbelievably soft. This feels like cotton wool up against my skin. I'm not wearing anything underneath. Now, normally I would wear like a vest or a t-shirt underneath because I don't like wool up against my skin. It makes me feel itchy. This is lovely. It feels so warm and snuggly, and it's the perfect fit. Again, they've really nailed the sizes. And again, I think getting a subscription box for me is perfect. It's really pushed me. That dress, if I had seen that in the store, I would have looked at it and I would have said, you know, that's a really nice dress. Not for me, but for someone else, a really nice dress. But because it was sent to me and I'm like, well, it's here now, I'm going to try it on, I was really shocked. That is an absolute hit for me. That is my favourite item out of the whole box, is that dress. I love it. But I've got to say this, I have actually a sweatshirt. It's really baggy bottoms and a really baggy top with, like, you can put your hands inside, and it has a hoodie and it's in this material. And I do wonder sometimes, you know, being 55, should I be wearing this material? I don't know. Is it for the younger generation? But you know what? I like it. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this item. Do you own something like this? Do you own, what is it? Is it camouflage material? I'm sure that's not the right name for it. I think they have a different name, but I like it. Item number 5 is a pair of jeggings. When I pulled them out, I actually thought that they were jeans. They're not, they are jeggings. So let's talk about these. These are booty lifting jeggings. Definitely need that. It's elasticated waist, and I like this detail right here. It's a little pocket. They've got one on either side. Very stretchy, long enough for me. I'm 5'2", probably about an inch too long, but I can tuck them up if I so choose. They're very, very comfortable. It's just like wearing pajama bottoms, to be quite honest. I don't know if I've paired it correctly. I'm not sure about this one. This one was the hardest I found to style. Maybe some flat shoes would look better. I don't know. Please help me out here. But again, this is another item of clothing, but I wouldn't have tried on. I would have just simply walked past. So I really do think the subscription box has pushed me definitely out of my comfort zone. But that dress, I keep thinking about that dress. That one's definitely such a hit for me. So let's do the math work on this. So be honest, what did you like? What did you not like? Did you like all of them like me? They were absolute hit. That dress really surprised me. Again, if I had been in the store, I definitely would have gravitated myself over to the dress and I would have looked at it. I would have touched it because I'm a toucher. I love to touch stuff. And I would have said, I really like this dress, but it's not for me. And I would have walked away. I wouldn't have tried it on. I really wouldn't have. But because it came into my house and I was committed, like I'd already say this was gifted to me, but say I had bought this, I was committed and I tried it on and I really, really liked it. So I'm going to be honest, as much as I loved watching Mr. Carrington's unboxing and his try on, I enjoyed this box just as much. I loved all 5 of these pieces. I absolutely love that dress. I don't know what it is about that dress. I'm not a dress person, I'm a jeans person. I think most of you know that. But that dress, I don't know, it was just so comfortable. Yeah, absolute hit for me. I'm really, really pleased with this. So thank you, Fashom, for reaching out to me. So if this subscription intrigues you, go to their website and fill out their survey. There's no commitment filling out the survey. That's completely free. That alone might just teach you something about your style. Now, currently at the moment, they are only available in the USA. Now, if you do make a purchase, there is going to be a discount code in my description box. Use the discount code because they have kindly offered to give one box to one of you guys if you purchase one of these subscriptions. So you'll purchase one and you'll get a second box on the way. So I'll probably wait a couple of weeks and then I'll get back with the company. They can let me know who's made an order from the USA and I'll pull a name from a hat and one of you lucky guys will receive a box and I'll be in touch with you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on Sunday morning at 7:30 as one of the collaborators of the Transatlantic Housewives of YouTube. So see you soon. Bye!